How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. So, like this one or this one, as you can see here, we have a lot of followers. So, over 300K of followers, and as you can see, we have a lot of pictures. So, this is an AI influencer. That mean it doesn't exist, and you can use it to get your money. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. A lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer, creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. As you can see, it's based or AI based tool that can be utilized or used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. And as you can see, here we have two options up here. And here we have user case, features, resources, company, pricing, just if you want to get more information about this website. And if we scroll down over here, you will find a lot of information that you can help you to more understand this website. And as you can see here, we have a lot of AI character. So to get started, you can just click in these two, just one of these two, and then you can enter your email, your verification code, and you can answer just for a few questions, and then you will sign up. After finishing sign up, you will get to this home page. So let's come back to the home page just to more understand. So this is the home page. This is the recent creations, and if we scroll down, we'll have hygiene learning card. If you didn't understand how you can use AI Studio, or how you can use video avatar, or how you can use AI voice, video translation. So this is a guide for you just to more understand, to get more information about how this website works. So here we have also templates. If you want a templates using AI characters, so here we have a lot of themes. So it's a lot of subjects. It depend on your content. And here we have avatars. So to dive into avatars, you can just click over here and you will go to studio avatar. You will find various of AI character. So as you can see here, we have a lot of AI character, so you can choose the one suits you more or the one you like, and then you will start your own AI influencer. So let's choose one. As you can see here, we have these three dot if you want to edit avatar or get avatar ID, and if you want to here, you can click over here, and then you can click on landscape if you want to start with YouTube. So let's click over here, and as you can see, it will lead us to this page. And here we have a lot of options you can use to edit your video. So this is the AI character that we choose. So you can change the place if you want, left or right or in the middle. So this is the animation for the effect on enter or effect on leave. So here we have full of animation you can, or full of effect you can choose. And here we have a script if you want to add it a script, so you can just delete that one and you can add your script. Then you will, if you want to add the second one, you can click over here. So And here we have the voices. If you wanna choose a voice, so you can just click over here, and we have here different type of voices. So if you want a natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks, e-learning, narration, games. And if you wanna other languages, you can select the language you want, or if you wanted a male or female. As you can see, our EI character is male, so we'll select male. And here we have the age. If you wanna child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older, and function. If you wanna pause and support it, adjustable speed, adjustable page. So here we have a lot of options that you can or that can help you to choose the one suits you more or suits your content. And then we will move to um, so as you can see here, we have a lot of options to get started, and you can select another avatar if you wanna change this one. So you can select that one or that one. So it's depend on the avatar or the AI character you need, or the AI character you like for your video. So if you have finished, you can just click over here, submit, and your video will be ready. And you can use the AI character or this AI influencer for a lot of things, for example, affiliate marketing. So you can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliate flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So you can use these brands to start as an affiliate using your EI character, so you can promote their product or services through affiliate partnership, and you can earn commissions on sales generated through the referral or your referral link. Or you can create content, for example, a video guide using an AI influencer like that one, and name it, and then this thing can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. Choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence, for example, to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you will move to scripting. You can write a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you can plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and the AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.